Welcome to Business Plus, issue 231, October 2023. I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOls. We start with our feature article, The Innovation Journey Requires Planning. This concept starts with an idea, doesn't it? Someone's thought of something, they want to look at it, and then they're likely to come and ask you, what are the taxation implications? Well, they can process this idea through a research and development project, but they need to have an awareness of how research and development operates. First of all, they need to be accompanied, and the total expenditure has to exceed $20,000 on legitimate research and development activities within the financial year. They can have more than one project as long as the aggregate exceeds $20,000 in expenditure on the research and development. There's records to be kept. There's timesheets to be kept. They need to be agreeable to having a meeting with you so you can outline what's involved. So my suggestion is write down some of your clients who you think might be looking at ideas, interested in participating in the innovation journey. And a few days after you've sent out this edition of Business Plus, give them a phone call and ask them how they're going. Did the article give them any new information? Do they want to have a discussion with you about what they could do? And remember, if the company is trading at a loss, the company can claim a cash refund calculated at 43.5% of the research and development expenditure, the legitimate research and development expenditure, so long as the accumulated tax losses exceed the calculation of the research and development offset amount. And the tax office will pay that amount direct into the company's bank account, I understand, within 30 days of the tax return being lodged. There's also some government grants, and in particular for 12 years there was the Accelerating Commercialisation Grant. That grant was terminated on budget night 2023, but at the time the government indicated that a replacement grant, very similar to Accelerating Commercialisation, you'd wonder why they changed it, but nevertheless, will be operational later in 2023. Apparently that's going to be called the Industry Growth Program. There's already some information on the government's website. It is targeted primarily at businesses that are named in the National Reconstruction Fund. By naming, I mean the type of business. And we've listed them in Business Plus. Businesses are also going to need a business plan if they're looking at the innovation journey. And we have some details there, including the key components of a business plan, so that you can have a conversation with your clients. So hopefully this article will give you the ability to have a conversation with one or more of your clients who might be thinking about this sort of operation. They're going to conduct some innovation activities, and you can get them organised, get them set up. If they're going to go through research and development, make sure their company's been set up and make sure all the expenditure is going through the company. The other items in this week's, this month's Business Plus is what does it mean? And we're talking about crowdsourced funding equity raising. There's an article on assistance to help survival. We're talking about weekly performance report, monthly financial accounts. I'd urge you to use this article as a means of talking to some other clients who you think you should be doing more straight accounting work for, Chief Financial Officer services. It's a great way to raise the subject with them. The charge out rates for tradies, I think, is crucial that you talk to your tradie clients about how they set their charge out rates. Hopefully that will help. And we have an introductory article on predictive accounting, budgets, cash flows, projected balance sheets. So hopefully this edition of Business Plus will help you in your communication with your clients. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or criticisms about anything contained within Business Plus, please give me a phone call, Peter, 1800-232-088, or send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. Stay safe, and I hope the month of October is very successful for you. Talk to you again next month. Goodbye.